Yeah, this flexion distraction table is $20,000. Very intuitive.
Wow.
Not a lot of chiropractors will spend that type of money on their patients, but I do.
I actually haven't been to anyone recently, but I remember like going to like the chiropractor growing up, and it was like a very flat table that didn't move at all, and it didn't have, I don't think, any computers in it.
Flexion distraction therapy is one of my favorite. It's very simple, safe, and effective form of spinal decompression, and it's not too time consuming, and I can provide you a higher standard of care, in a short time span. But also I can treat like acute disc herniations, radiculopathies, the tingling, the burning, the numbness, the sharp pain into the buttock or the leg, and it's just a lot more effective at decompressing the area.